present here, and a warm welcome to this informative session about skill development training programs for industry readiness. I'm KK Suganya, Application Engineer in Ramaya Skill Academy. It's my pleasure to introduce you to the various activities of Ramaya Skill Academy and the transformative opportunities we offer. At Ramaya Skill Academy, we are committed to equip you for the future ready skills through the industry ready programs in the domains of VLSI, embedded system, and software engineering. We also offer you copious placement opportunities. While through this program, we emphasize conceptual hands-on and experiential learning with project-based learning. With this introduction, I thank you all for joining us, and now I give the presentation to our lead application engineer, Mr. Chetan Naik. I now hand it over to you, sir.
Hello, everyone. So, we are focusing on the academia and the industry differences are there. So, in that focus of academia, we are talking about concepts and principles and wider coverage, and wherein we are focusing on many courses there. So in academia, you will be focusing on lots of subjects you are studying there. You're having a long-term knowledge there, and you're having a focus on knowledge-based skills, right? But in industry, that is not the requirement. In industry, you need a skill-based minimum training has to be done, and job readiness has to be there, and the market driven and competitiveness will be there, and commercialization and revenue. They are focusing more on commercial products, and also their focus area will be a skill based knowledge rather than theoretical knowledge. So these differences will be academia and industry. So the major focus of Ramaya Skill Academy will be to bridge is there between academia and industry. That bridge has to be satisfied, right? So when we are for RSA, so intensive instructions, so enriched skills and proficiency is there. Bridging the gap, academia and the need of technology is present there. Experiential learning, based on experiential learning and project-based learning we are doing. Also, we have a hands-on and project-based approach, okay, where professional and personal growth is also focused on. So vision and mission of the academy. This is the vision and mission of the academy. We are empowering professionals and workforce with advanced skills and innovative training, also with identified. So right now we are focusing on 3 domains. I will be introducing about that. The mission is to upskill the professionals and increase the international standard through significant industry, and also develop the necessary framework for standards, curriculum, and quality assurance. This is our model, academic model, and stakeholders are also. So the finishing school model is like we are going for upskilling and reskilling, and we have an extension program for engineering graduates. And the training school model we have, wherein the continuous education is there. Continuing education is there for engineering students, working engineers, and faculty development. They are the Ramaya Skill Academy senior leaders, wherein Govindar Kadambi sir is the president, and Dr. Shrikant Dutt sir is a director, and Nasim Reddy sir is a deputy director here. And under their leadership, we are all working, right? And we also have our industry advisors with us. Dr. Cyril Prasanna Raj, he is a director of CCCIR, and also for Sanaris Technology and Android Additive. And also Geetesh Kulkarni is there. He is a senior scientist at also the embedded device and intelligent system group for TCS research. Vasudev Murthy is there, is a senior principal architect at NXP Semiconductor. Padmanabhan is there, so he is also uh, our advisor by industry for Intel University collaboration. And also Tim Majumdar, he is also part of our advisory. And also Parthasarthi sir is a recent advisor for us from industry. Sequentia Technologies Private Limited. And these are the trainers list and the mentors from RSA. So this is myself, Chetan Naik, lead application engineer here, and Madhusudan is also present, who is lead application engineer for embedded system, and Priyanka, she is application engineer for real estate domain. Darshan is a application engineer for real estate. Also, we have a Sukanya application engineer for software engineering, and associate application engineer. Also, she is taking care of the office. So holistic perspective is nothing but how we are able to develop the curriculum by taking the industry collaborations, whatever we have already gone through. All those industry collaborations are present with us, so they will be giving us the suggestions, and we are also trying to do the innovation and research and also technology development with national vision of skill enhancement. Taking care of all this perspective, we are developing the curriculum. Once the curriculum is developed, we focus on how it has to be delivered. So the focus will be advanced tools and technologies has to be driven in, and we are trying to use more of a design simulation analysis. After that, we are going through skill attributes, simulation and experimentation, and also monitoring and evaluation will be done through test and assignment, and also enhance skill uh, proficiency. What is the infrastructure at the RSA? These are all the infrastructure at RSA. We have empowering learning with Wi-Fi enabled campus, smart board equipped, and also we have access to the software. But softwares are like Synopsys and Cadence. Industry grade components are also present here, like Digilent Discovery Studio, Unload Discovery Board. So these are all used in industry. Also, the trainers are all expert, and they're trained trainers, and also the ambience is good for experiential and project-based learning. Lab facility is also accessible beyond the office hours. Programs at RSA. So these are all the programs we already conducted. All upcoming programs are also present. Like Goodwill program is already concluded, and we had some 950 inquiries for that. And out of the 950 applications, we shortlisted 26 for embedded and 25 for VLSI. So we have already conducted that program, and half of like 50% of them are already placed. And we have, right now skill enhancement and internship program is going on, and upcoming program whatever we are able to focus right now it is called as proficiency and advanced technology training program, wherein we have a skill enhancement and internship program under it. Also, we do the corporate training program. Previous week we had that corporate training program as well. uh, Programs offered at RSA. These are the programs offered at RSA. We will be explaining this one by one with the domains, right? So advanced VLSI design, we have a 6 month program, 4 month program, 1 month program. Also, embedded system design is also varying from 1 month program to the 6 month program. Software engineering also from 1 month program to 6 to 8 months program. Our proficiency and advanced technology training program divided into skill and internship program, wherein our focus will be in capacity building and capstone project execution with experiential learning, lab plus some mini projects. And also, this will be integrated with and capstone project with some evaluation and exhibition. And soft skill training will be happening with mock interview. We will be doing the mock interview as well. Also, if for the internship program, we are having the classroom environment where we having the instructions for the classroom and training and period assignment, tests and presentations will be going on. So who are the beneficiaries are like BE, MTech students and graduates with EC, electrical, mechatronics, robotics, and computer science and allied programs. And also the graduates from science, they are also able to attend our program like BSc Computer Science. Uh, some aligned programs can also attend BSc MSc. So computer applications, BCA MCA can also be beneficial from our. Next, we'll hand over the things to the software engineering team. So Pooja or Sukanya will be handling it. Right?
Hi everyone. Under software engineering at RSA, we are having 6 programs. One is 6-month course, it is full stack development, and the other 6-month course is advanced concept in software engineering and development. And 2 4-month courses is there. It is mean stack, MERN stack. Then coming to 2-month course, it is web technologies and database, and the other one is web technology. Now I will be giving you the entire structure of the program we are offering. These are the industry like IBM and HCL Tech is the topmost MNCs, and these are the requirements given for the position of software developer or software engineer. Based on this, our curriculum we made. And nowadays, you know that like every resume should be ATS friendly. So every resume should be selected based on the keywords that is given in the like job requirements. So our syllabus will be based on that. This is the first program we are offering. It is a 2-month program, web technologies and databases. Under web technologies and databases, we will be covering HTML, CSS, JavaScript, MySQL, Python, Git and GitHub. We all know that for developing a website, it is mandatory to learn HTML and CSS along with JavaScript, like to make a website functional. Learn JavaScript also. MySQL is the database, and we will be training you the MySQL. Then coming to Python, it will work as a backend technology for a website. GitHub. Like nowadays in industry, they more focus on Git and GitHub because every project will be handling so many people. So to work in a project like as a team, we need to know Git and GitHub. So here we will be training you Git and GitHub also. Then these are the site like you can see some free platform. The main objective of our course is not only aligned with the education, moreover that there are some sites where you can do some freelance jobs. It means you create a website, you can sell your website in a platform. This is so some then TopTal, Fiverr, all these are the freelance platform. Like once you will learn all this course, like you can develop a website your own. In that one, you can earn money through your skills. This is the next course. It is a 4-month course. Mean stack and MERN stack. These are the 2 courses. AngularJS. Whereas in MERN stack, we will be training you React.js. And MongoDB it is a database system, and Express.js is a backend framework, and Angular is a front-end web technology, front-end framework, and React is also a front-end framework. You will be confused like why I need Angular.js instead of React.js. It means to optimize our code, we need React. So for writing simple codes and all, you can choose React technology. Then Node.js, it is the backend runtime environment. All these will lead you to the full stack foundation. And you know that MERN stack and mean stack is also a full stack actually, but not like Java full stack or Python full stack. It is a different type of full stack. So learning all these technologies can lead you through the entire full stack development. And this is the another course, Java full stack development. In this Java full stack development, we will be covering HTML, CSS, JavaScript, core Java, Spring, Hibernate, and Spring Boot. Nowadays, Java full stack is the most relevant technology used by the companies like Meta, Google. All those companies use Java full stack development. So it will be useful for you once you learn all these technologies. And here we are covering both front end and back end. Front end means like what all the things you can see in your website. That is the front end technology. And back end means all the behind work, what all the things it will work behind. That is the back end technologies. And along with that, we will be training you database also. Database is used to store the data. And this is a 6 to 8 month program, advanced concept in software engineering. Under this one, we will be training you programming languages. Under programming languages, C program, Python program, Java program, and in software architecture, the entire life cycle of a software system will come. And in data structure, you all know that like nowadays getting to a company, we need to know coding. So to know coding, we will be helping you in data structures. And in code optimization, we will be training like how to write an optimized code. Instead of writing thousands of lines, how you can write it in a shorter way. That will be code optimization. And under software standards, all the IEEE standards of a software that all is using nowadays, we will be training you. And this course is little bit advanced course. The person who software engineering, they can also choose this course. Like from the starting to the ending, we will be training you a software lifecycle system. Then these are the courses offered by Ramaya Skill Academy. In this one is the 1 month course. It is web technology, and in this course we will be not, but under 2 month course we will be covering web technologies and database. Under that one, Python program will also come, and mean stack, MERN stack, then full stack development in Java, then advanced concept in software engineering. Now we will go for embedded system. I will hand over the webinar to lead application engineer, Mr. Madhusudan.
Yeah. Thank you, Ms. Sukanya. So I'll be throwing you some light on embedded systems design programs that we will be carrying out in this academy. So these are the programs ranging from 1 month to 6 months. Okay, so you'll come to know. We'll just go through. So before I give you a brief overview of what we do under embedded systems design, first let us know what is the career path, okay, for an embedded engineer. So basically, he may start as an intern in any one of the company, and he may elevate up to chief technical officer, as been shown in the slide. So during his tenure, he may handle as either project manager, or quality assurance. So this is one hiring job description from Analog Devices, wherein the requirement was like he or she should be having 2 to 4 years of experience in embedded C testing, proficiency in embedded C, Perl, or Python. Meaning is any one of the programming language, a strong understanding or foundation on ARMS, SPI, I2C, UART, various communication protocols. So should have a very well versed experience on translating requirements into test cases, ability to manage multiple projects independently, which is most important. So a knowledge on automotive applications, experience on IoT technologies. Okay, so these are few what you call requirements, and these requirements depends on company to company. So now coming design flow. Before we get into embedded application, whatever programs we do here, just I would like to throw you light on how design, okay, an embedded product. What is the design flow that has to be followed? So initially it starts with analysis, then it leads to system specification, then architectural design. So later on, hardware design, software development. Fine. Once hardware and software design and development has been done, then it leads to integration, okay, of hardware and software. Once you have integrated your hardware and software together, there could be some firmware requirements. So even that has to be developed. So firmware development. Then once it has been done, firmware has been developed, there could be optimization in your entire product. So optimization phase plays a very vital role. Okay, once optimization has been done, then the final stage is testing and validation. Once testing and validation is been done, then it can be. So now coming to the core modules that we do at Ramaya Skill Academy. So one is programming. The programming could be in C, C++, Python, or any requirement which needs that particular for that project. Sensors and actuators, very in-depth knowledge on sensors and actuators, various Internet of Things technologies as well, mainly embedded systems, Linux, OS, microcontroller, various communication protocols, real-time operating system, and you will be doing a project as well, okay, which will help you to understand how you can integrate all these modules, core modules together to develop your desired project. So now coming to various programs at Ramaya Skill Academy. As I told you in the beginning, it ranges from 1 month to 6 months. So we have 1 month program, okay, which is embedded C and microcontroller for embedded applications. We have 2 months program, which is we have two months program basically. One is IoT based embedded system, another one is Linux and RTOS based embedded systems. So we have a 4 months program as well, which is termed as embedded firmware development. And finally, we have a 6 months program that has been coined as embedded system design and development. So these are various embedded programs. Okay, each individual program has its own syllabus, which has been curated by consulting with various industrial persons. So, as earlier been told by my colleagues, we had rolled out batches. These are few projects which have been carried out. So you can see it could start from automation to image processing to data collection, tracking, surveillance. Okay, so these are the various projects that have been done by our trainees. So these are few more projects which have been carried out by our trainees. It could be IoT based, it could be based, it could be remote based. There are various projects which have been done. The reason why I am showing you is that these projects will not be repeated again and again. So we have what you call lined up projects that you will be carrying out, and no project will be repeated. So for the during this training program, we will be using various development boards ranging from Node MCU, STM32 microcontrollers, Raspberry Pi microcontrollers, 32 microcontrollers, and many more microcontrollers. Along with that, we will be using various industry sensors and actuators. So if I want to list out various hardwares and softwares that we will be using embedded system program, you can just look into it. These are various hardware resources that we will be using, from sensors, actuators, microcontrollers, and many more miscellaneous hardware resources. So now I would like my colleague Ms. Priyanka to elaborate on advanced VLSI programs that are carried out at Ramaya Skill Academy.
Thank you, sir.
Good evening, everyone. Let me just take you through the courses that are offered at RSA regarding the advanced VLSI design. These are few of the courses, but before starting with the courses, let me tell you, VLSI is a booming industry right now. For the next 10 to 20 years, you can be assured that your job is at secure hands. And as India is also gearing up to become to start its own first fabrication unit, so there's a lot of demand for the VLSI engineers also. But that doesn't mean everyone and anyone will get a job, right? So you should have a right skill, right mindset, so that you can enter into the VLSI industry. RSA Ramaya Skill Academy is where that is where it comes into picture, where the focus is on giving you both the theory knowledge as well as the hands-on implementation, and it has carefully crafted industry-aligned training programs that gives you hands-on experience with the complete tool flow that the industry requires, along with the theory knowledge. Okay, so but first let's look at the job opportunities that are there in VLSI industry. So basically, there are four domains in which the VLSI industry offers you jobs, like developer role, where you can be an ASIC design engineer, FPGA design engineer, analog design engineer, etc. And in verification roles, this is a very high demand role in the VLSI industry. Okay, you can be a functional verification engineer, formal verification engineer, or software and hardware validation engineers, and so on. And if you are someone who is interested into research, then you can be one of those person who invents a new chip, who develops something new in the VLSI industry. So you have a lot of opportunity in R&D as well. And also in the testing roles, you have something like manufacturing, debugging, hardware firmware debugging engineer, and many more opportunities are provided. Okay, so as you can see, this is one of the job descriptions that is given by L&T services. Okay, so requirement for any VLSI job is the RTL coding. So that means coding in terms of Verilog or VH system Verilog. The most used one is Verilog for the designing and system Verilog for verification. And when it comes to the backend flow, the most critical part is the DFT, design for testability, and the STF, static analysis, where you check your design for the timing errors and how it varies with the power and performance. Okay, and there is another job description given by the Blueberry Semiconductors. As you can see, they require very strong hands-on experience with the chip level and sub-chip level floor planning, partitioning, etc. And also the block. And also they require you to have expertise on the EDA tools like Innovus, Tempers, etc. So I crafted a syllabus in such a way that we cover each and everything that the industry requires. So be assured that you will clear the interviews. Okay, so these are a few of the core modules that we cover in our not all these things will be covered in one course. So this covers the all the 4 or 5 courses that we are offering right now. Okay, like ASIC design flow, digital design, Verilog and system Verilog comes under one program, RTL design and verification. And analog layout design in itself is a separate program. And in our institute, the major focus is on the communication and bus protocols, which are very much needed for any VLSI engineer to master on. Okay, and RISC-V ISA is a open source platform which you can easily find anywhere. But our focus at RSA is to train you and make you an expertise in the RISC-V architecture. Okay. Now, as you can see, this is the ASIC design flow, which starts from the system specification till the testing and screening of the chip. But our focus of one particular program called RTL design and verification is only the designing using Verilog HDL and verification using system Verilog and UVM. Okay, and this red box, what you see, we call it as physical design process, which starts from synthesis and goes on till the generation of GDS2 file. Okay, so because after you generate a GDS2 file and send it to the fabrication unit, then you cannot make any more changes on the chip. So we have to ensure that the chip or the GDS2 file, whatever you generate, is error-free and is tested in all the cases. So that is what is the focus of physical design, where we have inculcated the physical verification concepts also, and along with that back annotation part also. And another course, we call it as analog layout design flow, which again starts from the design specification, where we capture the schematic, create a symbol for it, simulate the design to check any errors, then go on to make the layout of the design, and again check the design for the DRC and LVS errors, then do the parasitic extraction like the resistor, inductor, capacitor extraction. Use those things to again check the design for different values of these parasitics, do the post layout simulation. So everything will be covered in this 6 months course of analog layout design flow. Apart from these 3 courses, we also have a short-term courses. 2 are 1 month course and 1 is 4 months course. So 1 month course, FPGA implementation with Verilog. The major focus on course is the digital design and Verilog HDL coding, wherein you will be taught the complete Verilog HDL along with the FPGA implementation part. And in RTL verification using system Verilog, the requirement is that you have a little knowledge on Verilog, but you will be taught completely on the system Verilog. And ASIC prototyping, you will be taught the ASIC design flow, FPGA architecture, how to dump the code onto the FPGA, Verilog and system Verilog, a little bit of system Verilog, RISC-V architecture, and major focus of this course is high speed and 1 low speed protocol. These are some of the projects that have been completed of the RSA. As you can see, the major focus here, as I told before, is on the protocols. Trainees have designed these protocols from scratch using Verilog, and they have done multiple projects, for example, RTL to GDS2 of RISC-V steel. So this is done using the Synopsys tool, and they have also included AI in VLSI. For example, as you can see, the 3D convolutional neural network. CNN is a machine learning clubbed with the VLSI. Okay, and they've also done several other programs, other projects which include dumping also. And these are certain hardware and software that are available related to VLSI. For example, Synopsys. Under Synopsys, we have multiple tools. Each tool is meant for different purpose. And Cadence, again in Cadence, we have multiple tools that is again meant for different purposes. And if you want to work with the FPGA, we have 2 different tools. One is Intel Quartus Prime, and another one is Xilinx Vivado. And we have Intel provided boards like D10 Lite, D10 Nano, and advanced FPGA board, Z board. So as I told, we have Synopsys, Cadence, Mentor Graphics, and Ansys. So under Synopsys and Cadence, as you can see, VCS design compilers, Spyglass, DFT compiler, Prime Time, Prime Power, IC compiler, and Formality, all this come under Synopsys. So each meant for different tasks like verification or synthesis. Okay, and Cadence also, we majorly use it for the analog layout design. So now that's all from the VLSI design courses. Now Mr. Chetan Nayak will bring you on, brief you on the placement opportunities at the RSA. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Priyanka. So let us see about the placement. So this is what the students is expecting. So once you're completing the course, so the thing is you need to get placed in a good company with a good package, right? So they are the hiring partners: Skyrim Innovation, Mbega, Aerosite, okay, N Semi Design and O Systems, SLN Technologies are there. ISMO, IIT Bombay, some startups are there in IIT Bombay, and Blueberry Semiconductor. Okay, so a lot of other companies are going to be added up. So we are also putting more companies here. These are the companies where our trainees have got placed. So added up with whatever we have partners. Students have also gone through various, they have got placed there also. And these are the top students who have got placed with high packages. See, Nidhi has got a 12 lakh package with Qualcomm, right? And Khalid has got in a company called UCAM Private Limited. So they're all were students of Goodwill program, and they got placed. So details of the programs are already explained to you, and programs offline only. There is no online, and we will submit the projects Can we submit the project for academic requirements? Yes, we can submit the project requirements. Maybe a 6M you have a mini project, and finally a project or 8M students, they can also submit it as a academic requirement. And also there are, what about a job? Already we have seen the placement, so we have a job opportunities for more than 4 months and 4 months course, above 4 and 6 months course, we have a job opportunities there. Also for 2 months program, we are forwarding your resume to the companies, and you have to take care about that. So will I get a certificate? Yes, you will get a certificate. We are giving a internship certificate by Ramaya Skill Academy, also from the company. So how about the program fees? For program fees, you need to contact us. You can go through the contact details and you can directly contact us. And where is the venue? Venue is a Pune campus. So Ramaya University of Applied Sciences campus only. We are able to provide the offline training there. Transportation has, it's well connected here. So through metro you can come down, and from there another 10-15 minutes you can easily reach here to the Ramaya Skill Academy. Okay, accommodation also we have some attachment with the PGs and all. We can also help you out for accommodation as well. We are also on social media, and we have our own website. This is a website. You can go to the complete content details of indicative statements of each and every program on our website. And also LinkedIn program. LinkedIn also, we are active in LinkedIn, where we are able to post continuously about the webinars, right? And YouTube, we have been posting all the webinar videos in the YouTube. You can try to refer there. And also the previous batches, whoever also have done the projects, every projects are integrated and kept it in GitHub, so you can directly access that. And for your finding information, we are not able to, we will not be repeating that projects any further, right? And we are also on Instagram. You can follow us for further webinars. So these are the programs. Already we have briefed on that. Is as fast as possible. You have to register for all these programs immediately. Whatever is suitable for you, you can take up the call, and immediately you can register for that. And also, these programs will be for you. Maybe you are in 4th sem, or you are in 6th sem. You are upcoming in the 6th sem. You are already graduated and looking for job. For them, this program is well fitted, right? So for maybe you can take up 4 months course or 6 months course. You will be trained properly and you will be getting placed there. Okay. I'll conclude, and I look forward for any queries are there. Okay. Okay, guys. So we'll close it up, and any can send a mail to us or contact us on our contact details, right? And we'll look forward for your attachment with RSA, Ramaya Skill Academy. Thank you all.